People are going to belittle your little channel or your little business or whatever it is that you're trying to create or double down on. And I'm going to tell you this one thing that you have to do. It's been 2 years that I decided to say yes to starting a YouTube channel. I've had some lessons. I can't even believe that I recorded this video this time last year already. I've been pretty emotional about celebrating 1 year anniversary with my YouTube channel. Hi guys, I wanted to share with you guys a few of the tools that I use. It literally flew by. I want to go back to when I started my channel and I was not in a pretty place. I was so burnt out from my current business. I do not believe in burnout anymore. I feel like burnout is continuing to do something over and over that you don't even like. So at the time, it's not that I didn't like my business, I just didn't like the direction it was going. I didn't really like the people that I was working with and really like what we were doing. That's really what it was. I needed something new. I needed a change. So I think that's one of the biggest reasons why I was burning out. So that's why I just want to say thank you. We just hit 208 subscribers. It means so much. It is so hard, I'm gonna tell you right now, to build a YouTube channel. Every single subscriber means the freaking world. Even if you just watch like 10 seconds of it. I needed a creative outlet. I needed something to just feel myself again. I started using YouTube as a creative outlet, potentially to monetize, but it was more like a creative outlet. Look at this sun already. Stop. Hold on. Let this pass really quick. The very first thing that I think you should double down on when it comes to starting or growing your YouTube channel, having some sort of system around it. In November, so a few months ago, I was gonna go to Dominican. What I did was double down and I planned 6 videos in one sitting. Best decision I've ever made. Research one day. The next day, I scripted everything. The following day was record everything all at once. And I did hire help for that. Meaning, I had someone edit my videos for me. So it was so amazing. I literally need to get back to that. Having those videos just scheduled out and knowing that I would already have that up and going was amazing. Even till this day, a lot of those videos are still popping off and growing and continuing to get my channel views. The next thing that I think that you should really double down on and focus is getting more watch time instead of subscribers. We all want to get to that milestone. I still consider my channel a very small channel, but has a lot of views. I was listening to Vanessa Lau. She is actually a creator that I was looking up to when I was growing my channel. She quit. She literally quit at the time that I was like trying to grow my channel. Recently made a video talking all about her analytics when she left for a whole entire year. She talked about how subscribers do not correlate to actual views or even money on the channel. Because I see this and I believe it. You don't need so many subs to have videos that go viral on YouTube. There's literally no other platform that does that. The third thing I wanted to share with you, how it could completely change your life. Consider having YouTube as the top of your content pyramid, the very tippy top, and then kind of just taking that content and dispersing it out everywhere else. In a world of so many short form videos, people are still looking for long videos. Whatever your story is, whatever your tips are, whatever it is that you are giving to the world, people need it. People need to connect with you. And if you use YouTube as a tippy top, you can chop up these videos and give tips and write a blog about it or have a shorter version for the other platforms. And in reality, this is really the place to be. I know it and I know I'm going to continue to tell you, but it really is. What is number 4? Number 4, stop trying to monetize so fast. So I think that the moment that I started obsessing over getting 1,000 followers was the moment that I stopped growing because the value wasn't there. And that was a huge lesson that I realized, especially with those 6 videos that I was telling you about. I just wanted to have fun in Dominican, but I also wanted to put bomb videos out. I didn't focus on what should I sell in this video. I need to promote my course. I didn't even promote anything in these videos. They were the ones that grew my channel the most. I was not getting 100 subs a month, and November was the very first month that I was able to unlock that. Okay, I'm sitting here editing, skincare, shower, all the things, but I stand corrected. And I actually didn't hit 100 subs a month until January of this year, which was last month, but I definitely surpassed it. That's why November was such a significant month. I doubled my subs and then it continued to grow. Just wanted to double check and make sure that I wasn't lying. A huge milestone for me. I've never had that before. Subscribers, it was like barely crawling. Focusing on actually having fun when you're creating your content, even if you're using YouTube as an extension of your business, you don't have a business yet, maybe you don't even have anything to sell. Focusing on having fun in your content, telling your story is going to be more important than monetizing, because that's going to come no matter what, and you're going to build your community. And it's the coolest thing ever when a complete stranger asks you a question relevant to your video, or they say good job, or they say amazing, or whatever it is that they say. Those are the best. Like, still to this day, I love every single comment, like, sub that I get so freaking excited. I've talked about this before, and how I truly believe that YouTube gave me the opportunity to to become a public speaker. I wanted to become a public speaker. That was a goal that I put for myself, and I put that goal for myself in 2021, one of those, and I had 5 years to do that. I gave myself 5 years to become a public speaker, and YouTube gave me the opportunity in 2022. And it's because that, which is number 5, is using YouTube as your portfolio, but also your growth journey. It's crazy to see some of the videos that I created, not even just on YouTube, but like on TikTok. I'm like, ugh, that is not a good video. Why did I post that? But it's nice to see your growth. Like, wow, I truly thought that I was confident on camera. There's absolutely no way that I was. And even if no one sees your vlogs, let's just say that you're not a vlogger, neither am I. But I started trying to do at least one vlog a quarter, just so I can see where I was. I don't get a lot of views on them, and that's okay, but I love being able to see those. Or, oh my god, I can't believe I did 2-row for my car. Like, it's just crazy to really just see that journey. Really quickly, the portfolio. Maybe you don't want to be a public speaker, but what if you can become like a virtual speaker, or you could be a special guest somewhere, start getting sponsored videos. I got my very first sponsored video a few months after I started YouTube from my absolutely favorite company, which was Teachable. That was my dream. That's what I said that I wanted. I worked with them multiple times. What if you get invited to do some type of UGC video? They just want to see how you speak on camera. And as you continue to make videos, it's going to feel more and more genuine. I don't think that I've perfected confidence on camera yet, because I continue to edit my videos and I look at it and I'm like, girl, please don't do that. Every single video, I try to make it 2% better. And as I continue to get better in front of the camera, that's who I attract. I continue to attract my tribe, and hopefully by the end of this year, I'm claiming it, I can double my subscribers. I would absolutely love that. But I appreciate every single one of you that's here. I'm gonna be bringing a few other changes to the channel. I feel like I fell off of that because of imposter syndrome, which that's literally like a whole nother video that I could make. But me and imposter syndrome, we've been chilling lately, and I don't like it. I'm gonna bring you back the mindset that I'm slapping myself with, because we both need it. Me and you, we need to snap out of it. But I'm still gonna continue telling you all of the things that I know about TikTok. I love it over there. Instagram, we're getting acquainted a little more, so we're definitely gonna be talking about that. Duh, course creation. I know that you haven't finished your course that you want to launch, so we're gonna bring that too. Okay, literally gonna clean up my balloons right now, but I did forget to tell you this one thing, which was people are gonna belittle your little channel or your little business or whatever it is that you're trying to create or double down on. And I'm gonna tell you this one thing that you have to do, and is it celebrate every single win. The first sale, the first sub, the first 10 subs, like every single thing. I know this looks silly, like, dude, why did you go to freaking Party City and go buy freaking balloons? I get it. I know it's dumb for some, but you have to celebrate yourself. If you don't celebrate yourself, who the heck else is gonna do it? Have some time to just like meditar. How do you say meditar? Meditate, I guess. It's not really meditate, but if you don't make the time to just really look at your growth, like what did you create this past year, this past 3 months, this past week? Like what milestones did you hit? if you don't remember your milestones, what I think that you should do is do something like this. This is for my business, and I'm literally like recording every single customer that I do, and it looks silly, I know, but I don't care. I'm gonna celebrate every single customer that I get, because that's how you forget the joy of why you started what you started. And a lot of the times we get busy with work and kids and husband and laundry and mess that we can't just sit down and say, good job, like freaking I got one customer. Whatever entrepreneurial journey you're on, celebrate your little wins, because as silly as it looks, as silly as I may or may not get laughed at, it doesn't matter to me. I will celebrate every single milestone, as you should. So tell me in the comments, what is a win that you have had? It doesn't matter. Let me tell you one last thing. I keep telling you that I'm leaving, but I have so much to tell you. I remember one time I got like a $4 commission on an Amazon sale that I made. Okay, and I was so excited. Literally, I had gotten one of my very first like Amazon commissions off YouTube, by the way. Like, I was super excited. This person's not my friend anymore, but I remember I was sitting on their couch and I was like, oh my God, I just made a $4 commission. So exciting. And she responded with, who cares about your measly $4? I was like, okay, fine. And everyone made a joke about it, like, ha ha ha. Her point was like, who cares? We need to like make hella more money. To me, I appreciated those $4 so much, because it was proof of concept of what I was doing was gonna work. And those $4, I loved it. I went to go freaking buy coffee with those $4. So again, I am your friend that cheers you on if you made $4. I know we talk a lot about big goals here and big money and, you know, hitting 6 figures and all of that. I still think that you should celebrate your small wins. So I'm rooting for you. Seriously, you mean the world to me that you have even made it to the end of this video, and even if you skip to the very end, I appreciate you. Hopefully I see you this time next year and we can talk about all the wins, analytics. I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye.